Good morning. Let me go. Let's go like that. Good morning. It was an exciting week for us in our household because we got our oven. So I figured that today we can do a little what me and my baby eat in a day. I'm just chopping up some strawberries right now because he's a little impatient. He's very hungry when he wakes up in the morning. So I'm just gonna give him some strawberries to pick at for now. And I think I'm gonna make him some banana pancakes. We don't do that every day. I just want to jump in here really quick and say that multitasking is not my strong suit. So I apologize for me not being able to talk and cut the strawberries at the same time. Show you what. Like typically, I really like yogurt, so I'll make him his yogurt. I use like a vanilla. My favorite is a vanilla bean Greek yogurt, but it's harder to find, so I normally just go vanilla Greek yogurt. But he just gets plain yogurt, and I just toss in some berries and stuff for him. You don't want the mat today? Okay. Here, I'll take that from you. There you go, strawberries. So those strawberries, I'll cut up some more, but those will hold them over while I cook. But yes, like I was saying, so I like to have yogurt pretty much every day, and I throw strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, chia seeds in it. It's just my go-to, and then he'll have yogurt every once in a while, or like every few days. On days that I don't really feel like making a big breakfast for him, I'll just give him this oatmeal, like instant oatmeal stuff, and he seems to really like it. It's high in iron and it's dairy-free, gluten-free, and an excellent source of vitamin B1, B2, and B3. Okay. So for the banana pancakes, I'm gonna start by whisking an egg. And then I take about half of a banana and mash it in there. I'm gonna add some cinnamon to this too, just to, I don't know, make it better. And then I like to thicken it with this oatmeal. So like this would be my substitute to flour. So we'll just start off with a little bit first. So I'm just gonna add some butter. Spread it around. Okay. And then okay, while those are cooking, I'm gonna make myself yogurt. This is the yogurt I use. It's really good, but I like the vanilla bean flavor. This is just vanilla, but the vanilla bean is really hard to find. It's always not in stock, so this one, it tastes fine. It tastes just as, well, not just as good, but it tastes pretty good too. And then I like to add strawberries to it. Always strawberries. I don't think, we do have blueberries, so I'm gonna add some blueberries too, because they need to be used. Blueberries, these ones I already rinsed. I rinsed the strawberries when I'm, like right before I'm about to use them, because I've heard that if you rinse them like right when you get them or all at once, then they'll go bad faster. And they already go bad so fast. But the blueberries, I can't individually wash blueberries. Like I just rinse the whole thing and try to use them as fast as I can. Okay, and because I have half of a banana from Porter's food, his pancakes, I'm just gonna add it to my yogurt as well, just so it gets eaten. And chia seeds. Chia seeds, not cheesies. Okay, let's see. Oh, sorry, buddy. Try not to burn them if you make these. Okay, so here they are, a little crispier than I would have hoped, but I'm just gonna cut them up into little bite-sized pieces. You can cut them into strips if that's what you prefer, but the last time I did that, Porter ate, like, he put so much in his mouth and it stressed me out. So I'm just gonna cut them into like little tiny bite-sized pieces and give them to him. But yeah, it's really easy, but just try not to burn them. Okay, so this is what Porter's having. It looks just kind of like burnt scrambled eggs, but I tried a bit and it is really good. It stays a little moist because of the bananas, but it's cooked through. He seems to like it. Do you like it? Okay, this is what my yogurt looks like. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, and then I'm also having a chai tea, like the Tazo chai tea with just some milk. And I used to do oat milk and almond milk. I switched to oat milk when I had him to get my milk supply up. And it worked to get my supply up. It worked, but it just tastes so much better with milk. And so I just have it with milk. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this and then I will catch you guys during like snack time or lunch. But I'll see you soon. Okay, so I just wanted to come on here and talk about like how I meal plan. I do have to run to the grocery store today just for a couple things. But I figured it kind of goes along with the video of what I eat in a day and how I meal plan. So I have these templates that I just use, like you can laminate them, but I don't have a laminator. So I use packing tape and I just put, you can't even tell, it looks like it's laminated, but, and then I can like use an expo marker and write on it. I just keep them on my fridge. I have a to-do list and also a grocery list. And it just makes it way easier. I used to write it down just like on another piece of paper, but these make it fun. Like I want to sit down and do this. So normally only plan for like 3 days and then go back to the store in 3 days because I don't know what I'm going to be feeling in like a week from now, you know. But yesterday we had creamy spinach chicken. It was so good with like sun-dried tomatoes. It was amazing. I found the recipe on Pinterest and I would definitely do it again. So tonight we're having chicken tacos with like Pico De Gallo and stuff, which is gonna be fun. And tomorrow we're doing a Mediterranean chicken bowl. The to-do list, I'm gonna write out some of the stuff I need to get done. Like I know I need to put some laundry away. And then for the grocery list, I'm just gonna write out some of the things we need. Like we need chicken and pepper. I want to get some cracked pepper, and yeah, I don't know. Figure it out as we go. And then I keep this on my fridge, and if I like need to add anything else to it, I can. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing this right now. I just have those two things right now, but I'll add to it before I go to the grocery store, and I won't go till later. And then this is what I have on my to-do list for right now, which I'll also add to. But yeah, these make it like really handy for planning out your meal. I don't know if anybody else is like the same, but before we meal planned, we would just go to the grocery store and buy like random stuff that we thought that we would need, and a lot of it would go to waste, and I do not like wasting food. So meal planning has made it like nice and easy and simple. I find a lot of recipes on Pinterest. It's really like, I find it fun to follow a recipe and do new things in the kitchen. I enjoy it, so I like to try new things when I'm cooking. But yeah, meal planning, it's really easy. Plus, whenever I go to the grocery store, everything that I had in my head, like I need to write it down or I forget it all. So it makes it really good for when I go to the grocery store and have a list. I get what's only on the list. My boyfriend doesn't. He definitely goes browsing through the aisles, but for me, that's how I save a lot of money when I go to the grocery stores. I don't just spontaneously buy things. I just go, get what's on the list, and we're good for the 3 days or the week or whatever. So yeah. I also wanted to show you guys these pictures. I got these prints off of Optimal Print, and the frames are from HomeSense, but I really like how they look, but I don't know if I should have centered them because like down there, but they're more up top. I don't know if that looks silly, but I just didn't want anybody who's sitting right there to like bump them and knock them off or something, but I don't know. I think they look pretty good. Okay. I also wanted to address my outfit. Yeah, I'm wearing the same outfit as in my last video, but like when I get an outfit that I like, I wear it often. But these are like pajamas, so I wear them like pajamas, and if I go out, I'll change. Well, I'll change my bottoms. I don't know. This top's really comfortable. And these glasses are blue light glasses. You can definitely tell. But I have 20/20 vision, and I like to accessorize with glasses. And like blue light glasses, I can at least be like, well, they're doing something for me. They're not just clear lenses. Because I do have a pair of those, and I would wear them out often. And people would be like, oh, let me try on your glasses. And then they try them on, and then they'd be like, oh, there's like no prescription. And it's just like, no, there's no prescription. But I'm grateful to have 20/20 vision at least. But yes, I apologize for the glare, but they just look so cute, don't they? Okay, so it's lunchtime now. I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do for lunch, but I know we have one chicken left over from last night, so I think I'm just gonna heat that up. Okay, so this is lunch. Got my bed of spinach. Here's the chicken. It looked way better yesterday, but the flavors are there, I promise. Some couscous. And then Porter had some leftover roast beef dinner from the other night. So it's just roast beef, carrots, potatoes. He's got some couscous. And then I'm going to get some chicken for him. I'm just going to get it from like the inside of the chicken, so it doesn't have that much sauce on it. But yeah, that's what we're eating today. And he ditched his plate, so... do you like couscous? Yeah. Porter is asleep, so I decided to whip up the Pico De Gallo now, so I didn't have to do it later. So I'll give you an up close of what's in it. As for the grocery store, I've decided not to go. I just don't feel like leaving the house right now. Like, it's cold, and like actually today's not a bad day. Today's pretty warm, but I just don't feel like it. So I'm gonna get my boyfriend to pick up some chicken after work. And the cam is dying. Hold on. Okay, so here's the up close of the Pico De Gallo. So there's chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, jalapenos. I squeezed a fresh lime into it, salt and pepper. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be having with the chicken tacos. I have to slice the cabbage. I'm watching the Australian Bachelor version. Bachelor, the Australian version, because I couldn't find the American anywhere, but it's pretty juicy, so recommend that. But yeah, so I'm gonna be having that with cabbage. I have some corn tortillas, and then I'm gonna make my chicken like a Cajun style. I'm gonna air fry it in the oven. The oven has an air fry feature, so yeah, it's gonna be really good, but I'll show you that when dinner time comes. I'll show you it all together. But yeah, Pico De Gallo. Pico De Gallo? Pico De... One more update for today before dinner time. Yeah, I just don't feel like doing anything. And this can go too. Bye. I'll show you dinner really quickly. We're just about to eat, but we just have the corn tortillas, Pico De Gallo, cabbage, and then some Cajun chicken right on top. Hi guys. Okay, it's later now. We ate dinner and I'm just kind of hanging out with Pudge on the ground. I just wanted to come on and end the video. Are you coming to say bye-bye? Come here. I'm just coming on to end the video here. I wanted to say thank you for, oh my gosh, thank you for watching and clicking on the video. And if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for sticking around. Like, honestly, it's really exciting seeing how like people, like real people, click and watch this video or my videos. You know, it's really exciting for me, even if it's like a small amount of you watching. It's pretty awesome. But yes, like, comment if you like this video. Let me know. It's different than my normal clean with me videos, but I figured I'm still kind of like trying to figure out the direction I want my channel to go in, and I'll still do I will still be doing clean with me videos because they're nice and convenient for me, because I'm just doing my weekly, daily cleaning anyways and just recording it. So I'll still be doing that. But if you like these more personal videos, let me know. Like, I don't know, I'm not very interesting, but I like watching other people. So if you like watching me, I can definitely do more of these because they're way more fun to be like personal with you guys. But yes, like, subscribe. I have 38, I think, subscribers now, which is pretty incredible. 38 of you are hanging out with me and want to actually see videos. It's awesome. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.